Raina with Lilo Crafts. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I am doing a house tour for Christmas. So this is our back porch where we've got flowers, we've got a wreath that I redid this year. So let's go on inside. As you enter the door, you are greeted in the dining room where I've got wonderful candy canes hanging on the windows, and they set off the wonderful gingerbread tree that is in the corner. And I will put a link to different items that we made on the gingerbread tree. You can see that I have this burlap table runner with rickrack. I thought that reminded me so much of gingerbread and frosting. And in the center, I have a faux fake bake a cake. And I love that burlap tree skirt, and I will put a link to items that are similar on Amazon for both the tree skirt as well as the table runner. And I am just in love with all these sweet little gingerbread projects that just bring a smile to your face. And on the wall, I've got these awesome giant lollipops, link below, as well as this wonderful gingerbread sign. And when you stand in the corner of that eating area, you look straight into the kitchen where you can see this beautiful flocked garland that I have going all the way above the cabinets, and it is filled with peppermints as well as lollipops. And it is lit on a timer too. On the corner of the island, I've got a gingerbread house that is set off by beautiful poinsettia behind it, and the cups are filled with lollipops and peppermints. And I have these beautiful jars that house a gingerbread house as well as a winter scene to round out the countertop. And everything is even decorated on the back side. And taking a peek down the kitchen lines, you will see that it starts with these sweet striped candy cane themed trees over here in the corner with handmade pom-poms. And moving on, you will see the gingerbread house that I made linked below, and also some Ray Dunn that I have been collecting over the years. I've got a gingerbread boy and girl salt and pepper shaker, as well as some peppermints on top of that hot cocoa bar. And as we rotate around, you are welcomed into our family room. That is our little dog Buddy over there on the couch. I love this pom-pom throw that I got many years ago at Home Goods. And on our chairs, you can see that we've got new pillow covers, one which holds a cabin in the woods, and the other that features a beautiful church set in this woodland scenery. And of course, a Merry Christmas, y'all sign. You need that for Tennessee. And you can see we've got a beautiful wishing you peace, joy, and love this Christmas season sign, as well as green wreaths hung on each of the window panes. This year I added additional greenery to those wreaths. And then you can see we've got our red and black checked Christmas tree in our corner over here. And moving on to our beautiful fireplace mantle filled with Nordic pine garland and knit stockings with fuzzy fur, and more red and black trees. And as we rotate around to the couch, you can see that we have red, white, and black pillows, as well as that sweet little red and black plaid reindeer and throw right there on the corner to bring it together. And as you look at our fireplace, you can see that it is accented with two of these large size lanterns that also have a red and black bow, and candles on timers, and beautiful greenery. And now let's take a closer look at the tree. Now as we move into the entryway, you can see this buffet hutch, which houses one of my most favorite things, which is this nativity brought back from Bethlehem. Now we're moving into our guest room where we've added a beautiful Christmas throw as well as some more gingerbread, my favorite, onto the bed. I've got a sweet gingerbread tree over here on the nightstand filled with all kinds of homemade goodies from friends. And as you look at the fun side table over here, we've got another gingerbread snow globe as well as some greenery topped with beautiful holly berries, all set for guests. And the last place we're going to see is our master bedroom. And here is this wonderful comforter as well as this new Christmas blanket that I've got. I also put together that sweet little arrangement over there. And these are some of my son's creations from when he was 5. And now looking at this special tree, this is my favorite tree, and it is because it is filled with all of our precious memories. When we go on vacation, we always buy an ornament to remember that, or a place that we visit, but it has our son's pictures with Santa Claus, the ornaments he made for us in pre-K all the way up through junior high. It has photo ornaments that I put together, as well as things that we love, like our dog, our angels. My husband loves Pac-Man. I think our son is an angel, so I've got that little boy angel right over there. And these are ornaments that we have been collecting for 35 years. And that trumpet is a reminder specifically to my father. So thank you so much for taking some time out to check out our home. I just want to wish you a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.